to say I've been procrastinating, but it's like it's hard to pack when you're like we not leaving yet. So like how I don't understand how people can pack up like weeks ahead of time. Like no, I still gotta wear clothes. I still gotta eat. Like I still gotta sleep and watch TV. Like okay, so we were supposed to be meeting up with Levi's lawyer. She is running a little bit behind, so I just wanted to show you all, some of my little packing progress. I guess the good thing about having my closet super organized is that I can just go section to section and pull stuff down and just throw it in the box. So I already have one box over here, if you all can see it. And basically, I just threw everything that was in the island drawers, excuse the wigs, everything that was in the island drawers into that box. Big Daddy. Okay, so before Big Daddy rudely interrupted, so since I already finished the island, now I'm just gonna go section by section over here. So this will be bodysuits and what is this called? I guess sweatsuit outfits. Matching top and bottom sweatsuit action is going in here, and then I'm just going to go section by section until the box is filled up. And I guess that's the good thing about everything being coordinated, organized, like just throwing it in here. The stuff that was in the drawers I didn't even have to fold because it was already folded, and so I could just throw it in the box. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing with every section. Then I'm going to do the shoes, and I'm just really happy to finally be packing. I don't want to say I've been procrastinating, but it's like it's hard to pack when you're like we not leaving yet. So like how I don't understand how people can pack up like weeks ahead of time. Like no, I still gotta wear clothes. I still gotta eat. Like I still gotta sleep and watch TV. Like so now that we are down to the wire, literally 3.5 full days until the moving trucks come and everything gotta go. So even though my apartment still looks very much lived in, I'm taking care of my closet today. The full closet will be packed today, besides the stuff that I'm going to leave out to wear. The kitchen is going to be my Monday project, and we're just going to be eating out. And that's really it. Other than that, I guess Tuesday I need to take down our beds, and Wednesday I need to do laundry and just do like the last bit of cleaning, because you want to make sure you have it, I guess, as moved in ready as possible for the next tenant. So that's what I will be focused on. Let's hope I can stick to that plan, because this moving company is not playing with me. They already told me if everything ain't packed up, deuces. So gotta make sure I'm ready. We have to transport my other car, so I'm gonna drive the truck, and Big Daddy's gonna drive a U-Haul truck with some overflow stuff, and my car hitched to the back. So we needed the U-Haul for like our valuable stuff, like my shoes, my handbags, jewelry, like sunglasses, stuff like that I didn't really trust the movers with. Like I'm gonna have, oh, and I want to show you all this. Somebody gave me this tip, and I'm so happy they did. So I got an Apple tag, and what I'm going to do is put it in one of the boxes that the movers are going to have, so I can track our package. Like, well, not package, but I can track our stuff until it gets to us, so I can know where they are, and just have peace of mind with my things. So I'm going to finish getting this packing done. I'll let y'all watch for a little bit, and yeah, we just handling business today. I'm so happy. got so much more left to go. Okay, so I know I'm looking like Aunt Jemima right now, but I'm trying to get this done. So yeah, it's looking real. And these are just two-piece sweatpants outfits that I put out to wear over the next couple days. But yeah, it's getting real empty in this mug. And yeah, I packed like 5 boxes. So proud of me. My apartment is a mess because of all this chaos, so y'all gonna have to excuse that. But my plan is to once again get all of the boxes into the office, but in order for me to do that, I have to like get the office done and packed up. And right now I'm gonna just show y'all, it's giving hot mess. So because I've been trying to clean out the closet back here, which I'm halfway done, so almost done. At this point, I'm about to just start throwing stuff away, if we're gonna be honest. But right now, I'm about to take down this whole flower wall, get the TV and shelf down, clear out all this stuff, and start arranging the room to the point that I can just start throwing boxes in here. So let's get this flower wall done. So as you can see, I'm basically almost done with this area. Once I get all of the fake grass put in the box and get this wall stripped, I'm gonna put the flowers in the box too, tape that up, and then start moving some of the other boxes throughout the apartment into this room so that we can stop tripping over them and everything can just look more uniform and be an easier process on moving day, which is in like 3 days. So yes. Okay, I had to go and pick up Levi from school. We actually like just walked back in the door, but I wanted to show you all the progress I made. So look at that. This is like 13 boxes in here. I have some more in my room. I got like 3 in my room and 3 in the living room and like 2 in the kitchen. Oh, I'm out of breath. That I haven't transferred into the office yet. So right now I'm gonna take a break, eat some food, work on some editing. Here go the other boxes. And then y'all, I'm gonna start packing my bags. I gotta put my babies in boxes. But I did pull out the dust bags for each purse, so they will be safe and protected. And that's one of the boxes we're gonna take with us. Like, valuable stuff is coming with us. So stay tuned. Oh, Levi's supposed to be packing up her room herself. This is her progress. Yeah. Okay, time to pack up my babies. My babies. Okay. Let me put y'all on my stand. Okay, so I don't really have a specific way I'm going to do this. I'm just going to be throwing everything in here. There are a couple bags I'm going to leave out that I'm going to be wearing. My Dior Lady Delight. And I think I want to do my Neverfull. See, I wish I had my LV backpack, but it's in Georgia. I can do this one. Okay. So I'm going to leave out those two and start packing up everything else. Okay, done with that. Now, I don't know what to do next. I think I'm gonna finish the clothes because I still have my hoodies and jackets, jeans. I still have to do my shoes. And all of my like business kind of attire. So not counting my shoes, I think this is 3 boxes I need to do, but we're about to find out. Woo! So moving day is finally here. Everything is packed. I forgot to vlog this stuff. Closet is completely dismantled. I'm recording for the vlog. I got a box of donations. Yeah, like I didn't want to throw, you know, like the clothes and stuff that we didn't want away, so we're just gonna donate it. Everything looks so different with it empty. Can you believe the day came so quickly? You can? I can't. It's too quick. It's gonna look weird to see this apartment empty.